Day 59, back in the gym. Today I'm going to do some chest and triceps, but what I wanted to talk about today was a new program that I'm going to be doing for the next 4 weeks. I'm sort of 8 weeks into what I'm doing, and I've been up to this point just doing the standard 12 reps sort of to your maximum, times that by 3. But I feel with 4 weeks to go, my muscles starting to develop a bit of memory for that routine. I just want to mix it up and just target the muscle and hit it a bit harder. So just looking to change it up. So I'm going to do what's known as the 6-25 rep scheme, which is what I want to show you today. So this picture was taken after this workout. Okay, I'm bullshitting. So the 6-25 rep scheme uses for the chest uses 3 main exercises that target each area of that pectoral muscle to give you that pump and that definition that you're looking for. Now this workout routine is designed for strength and mass development. It encourages muscle breakdown, rebuilding and growth. So what you do is you have a set of 3 low rep intensity sets, and you follow these sets with 25 reps. These 25 reps that flush the target muscle with blood, giving you that serious pump. The first exercise is on the bench press, the Smith machine. So the idea is just to load it up with sort of your max for 5-6 reps. So for me that's about 30 kilos on each end, so 60. And then you've got to push 6 reps out 3 times. This is a compound exercise. It takes a lot of effort, so make sure you get a good rest in between your sets, maybe 2 minutes. And then I'm going to go again, I'm going to do that 3 times. And then we're going to take the main weight off, maybe leave a 5 or a 10 on each end. And then I'm going to push 25 reps out. That's my hard sets done, so now I'm going to take the weight off. Maybe just a little less than half, so I'm going to go 10 each end. And then I'm going to do 25 reps. The secret then is just to change into a vest, just like to tweak your gains. I'm only joking, I was having horrible sweat patches, wasn't looking very nice. So exercise number 2 is on the incline bench, same setup, so you put on as heavy as you can do for about 5 or 6, 3 times 6 reps, and then take the weight off 25.